Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing Steam and your files. First, enable Steam Beta in settings if needed, because some themes require updated UI hooks. Next, back up your existing skins folder. This protects your layout if something breaks. Once done, download a theme archive from a trusted place and extract it directly into Steam/skins. Make sure the extracted folder contains a Steam, styles, and resource files so Steam can read it. This initial placement is what lets the client detect the theme immediately. Now you'll activate and fine-tune the theme. Open Steam's settings, go to Interface, and pick your new theme from the drop-down. Steam requires a restart to load the files, so do that right away. After relaunch, inspect menus, library, and store pages to confirm assets appear correctly. If the theme includes configuration files or alternate palettes, edit them or use provided UI toggles to adjust fonts and accents. Make sure to clear Steam's cache if images look stale, so updated resources render cleanly. Finish by verifying everything works and handling common issues. If the layout breaks or buttons are missing, restore your backed up skins folder to revert immediately, then relaunch Steam. If visuals still glitch, clear Steam's web cache and shader per cache in settings or via the client folders. This forces a fresh load. Also review the theme's README for required file name tweaks or Steam version compatibility. If problems persist, try a different theme or update Steam. This usually resolves the last % of stubborn conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.